a beautiful Sunday, but thanks so much for tuning in. Fred's Marketplace is located at 1401 West Dr. Martin Luther King Jr. Boulevard, Plant City, Florida, and this is not sponsored. So here is my niece's plate. She had fried chicken, catfish, and the baked turkey. My sister had fried chicken, green beans, cranberry sauce, cornbread muffin, and it looked like some sweet potatoes. And this is mine. Stuffing, cornbread stuffing, cranberry sauce, mashed potatoes, fried chicken, and baked turkey and macaroni and cheese, plus a salad with mashed potatoes. Oh, it was so good. I would say 4 out of 4 stars. And then a little bit later, I went for dessert, and this was what I got. It was the pumpkin cake. All of it was good. I would recommend it, especially on Sunday when you can get so many different options. When I tell you I'm full, I'm about to leave, and we're going to head home. Subscribe to Leticia's _ third eye point of view. Subscribe to Sirius S, a Virgo from Georgia. Subscribe to Puzzle Pieces. Subscribe to East Dad. Subscribe to Dave's Adventures. Subscribe to Boss Life Online. And shout out to all of my channel members. I appreciate your support. Join channel membership. It starts at 99 cents to be featured. Make sure you hit the like and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. This is Life with Marlene, your Florida vlogger, and I'm out.